Okay, hello everyone. So today now let's look at our question 15. So question 15 is our last question. Congratulations, we will complete the book 8. So let's see the question 15. As shown in diagram below, a circle is divided into, so let's count how many parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So actually we have 8 parts. Now dye each part with one of 3 colors, red, yellow, and blue. This one is not like RGB, right? So if 2 adjacent parts must be different colors, how many dyeing methods are there? So maybe the first time you see this kind of question, you may be labeled, okay, this one 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, right? But it's not correct because you cannot make sure the first color is same or not as this last color. So what we should do? Firstly, let's think. If we use a knife to cut this circle, it will become a straight like the rectangle, and I separate into 8 parts. So now, because we want to get the general term, and so this one, let's assume we have unlimited parts. So if we want to color the first one, it will be 3 different color, and the next all the things will be 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. This time I make sure all the adjacent color is not same. And with the next step, if I want to strengthen this straight rectangle into a circle, so how will we do? This one I combine, it will become a circle, and how many parts do we have? We can assume we have m parts. So for m parts, this new circle, we have 2 situations. The first situation is if the first one and the last one is same color. And the second situation is if the first one and last one is not same color. So you can imagine. So if the first one and last one is same color, I strengthen it will become a circle. So actually, how many sections do we have? Yeah, because the first one and the last one is same color, we can assume this one is just the 1 section. So actually, we have m minus 1 section. So if the first one and last one is not same color, for example, this one is red and this one is yellow. So which means how many sections do we have? Yeah, we have m section. So the first situation, we have am minus 1 choice. And for the second situation, we have am choice. So in total, how many? Yeah, because in total, it's just I stress it into a straight rectangle. So in total, it's 3 times 2 to the m. So actually, we combine these 2 choices. It will be am minus 1 plus am equals to 3 times 2 to the m minus 1. Okay, m is how many sections do we have? So now let's come back to our question. We have already know that am minus 1 plus am equals to 3 times 2 to the m minus 1. Now, how many sections do we have in this question? 8. We can list all the things. A2 plus A3 equals to 12, A3 plus A4 equals to 24, and blah, 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 to A7 plus A8 equals to 384. So now let's think, why I only need to have A2, start from A2 here, because only 2 sections I can strengthen it, become a circle. So only one straight rectangle, if I strengthen it, yeah, it's just only 1 color. It's not possible, not suitable for our discussion. So let's find out A2 equals to what. So this one is a rectangle, and I separate into 2 parts, and this 2 part is different color, right? So 3 and 2, if I rotate it, it will become a circle. So for this circle, how many choice? Just 3 times 2 equals 6, which means m equals 2. So how many choice do we have? 6 choice, which means A2 is just 6. So A2 is 6, and we can find out A3 is also 6, A4 is 18, A5 is 30, A6 is 66, A7 is 126, and A8 is 258. You just put this A2 equals to 6 inside the left formula. You can find out the answer. So how many dyeing methods do we have? Yeah, actually we have 258 choice. But you see, this one, yeah, I just put, we only have 3 color and 8 section. So maybe I change the question, will become 4 color and, for example, 12 section. Can you use the same method to do that? Yes, the method is same. And maybe you can have a conclusion for the general term. And I hope all you guys can explore this question and give me the explore scene and give me the general conclusion.